Here are 4 psychology tricks to make you the most charismatic person in any room. These are extremely simple, yet effective, and I make tons of videos like this, so be sure to follow for more. Number 1, smile. When you smile, people perceive you as someone who is friendly and trustworthy. Smiling also puts you in a positive mood, and people will be able to pick up on that energy. Number 2, call people by their name. Doing this makes people feel liked, valued, and respected. As Dale Carnegie once said, a person's name is the sweetest sound they can hear. Number 3, listen more than you speak. Instead of just talking about yourself, give your full attention to the other person. The best way to be interesting is to become interested. Number 4, be yourself. Instead of trying to change your personality to impress others, be your true, authentic self. Authentic energy is extremely